Okay, and I'm going to bring this. Let's select this shape layer, which is the stroke, and we will bring this at the top over here. And this 0 should be over here because our background color is white only, so it's not gonna matter anything. Like this. Okay, now we will select the shape layer, hit U, and as you guys know that last time we hit the end value is 50. Let's make this 0 completely. Okay, and from this point I'm going to select this layer and go to the effect and presets panel, and we are going to apply slider controller effect and simply double click to apply like this. Then go inside this, go to the text, alt click on the source text, and we will make it apparent with this slider over here like this. And over here in this expression we are going to type math, which is this one, hit enter, then type dot, and let's type round, and out of this open and close bracket we will delete this close bracket. Then we will go to the last and we will type close bracket over here. Okay, so now I'm going to select this and we will create one keyframe and slide over here. And before doing that, go to the paragraph menu and make sure that you are in align center text, and we will create one keyframe and slider controller, hit U, and let's go somewhere around 12 seconds and we will make this 100. Okay, so we will get something like this. So if you see this now, we will get something like this. Okay, so now what we will do, we will go somewhere around over here, and as this water start to uh, rise, this animation should start to increase, and as the levels are up, this is going to be complete 100. So I'll move this over here, and let's do one thing, we will bring this layer at the top of it like this. Okay, and initially the color of this one should be the grayish, so I'm going to choose, with the help of this picker, I'll choose grayish color. Okay, and if you see this is my grayish wave, so I'll select this grayish wave and I'll hit Ctrl D, and I'll bring this at the top, and I'll delete this alpha track matte. I'll bring this at the top over here, and then I'm going to bring my white layer, white text layer, which is this one. I'll bring this at the top and I'm going to choose alpha mask. So if you see this now, we will get something like this. Okay, so our 0 should be like this only. So as the animation ends, it's going to be 100%. Okay, like this. So after that, select all of them and press Ctrl Shift C, and we will call it as animation. And then we will hit Ctrl D, press S, unlink this, and let's make this -100. Press P for position, and let's bring this downwards. Press T for opacity, and let's make this opacity 50. Then press Ctrl N to create one fractal noise effect, and let's change the width is 1920, height 180, and press Ctrl Y to create one solid background. Go to the effect and presets panel and search for fractal noise effect, and double click to apply, and increase the contrast and decrease the brightness a little bit. Go to the transform menu, unlink this, and increase the scale width and decrease the scale height like this. Go hit Ctrl 0, bring the fractal over here, and we will hide this. Select this animation layer, which is this one. Go to the effect and presets panel and search for compound blur effect on it, and choose the fractal layer. Okay, select this animation layer, go to the rectangle layer, and we will create one mask. Go to the mask properties and increase the mask feathers like this. Okay, so if you see this now, first we will get this animation, and then we will get something like this. Okay, so this is how you can create this kind of loading animation. Now right click, new, and create one. Add the null object, select all of them, make it a parent with this null, select this null, press S, create one keyframe, go to the start, and let's make this 120. So what will happen along with this animation, you will get a little bit of scaling animation also. Then if you want, then you can add Control Y and solid background layer, then right click, new, and create one adjustment layer, and then you can simply apply tint effect on it like this. So you can swap this color whenever you want, and instead of black you can choose red color, and even if you want then you can choose bluish color also to get different results and different outputs like this. Okay, so it's totally up to you the way you want this animation it will look. So let's delete this. I will prefer this one only.